Hi. Hello friends, it's Shalene and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I like to share the things I love and the things that makes me happy, and those are subscription boxes, beauty, home decor. I love to get a good bargain, so I share shopping hauls and all kinds of things that make me happy and hopefully will make you happy. So stick around, and today I have something exciting. I just got my Ipsy glam bag and my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I'm going to share these today. So let's get to it. Let's get to the bag first. Let's see. Oh, what a cute bag. It's got navy blue flowers. On the back it says, look good, do good. I love that. Look good, do good. So far, I'm really happy with the bag. It says score up epic savings on the card. It talks about add-ons, the Ipsy shop, mega drop shop. So those are all sales that that they have periodically where you can score awesome deals. You can get things for $3.50 that are worth well more. I do have a few things in my here that I'm going to share that I got from the drop shop too. Open it up and it says be a conscious beauty consumer. It just talks about being a beauty consumer. So there's that. Let's get to it. Let's open it up here. I got kind of small things in here, but the first thing I'm going to pull out here is, let's see, it's First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Ooh, I like that. Ultra Firm Collagen Cream. I will definitely use this. I like First Aid Beauty. So there's one good item. The next thing I'm pulling out is, it's Oryza. O-R-Y-Z-A. Glow Up Lip Balm in Watermelon Waves. So there's that. And I don't know if I can get it open. Oh, I can. Okay, it has a doe foot in it. Smells like watermelon. So just kind of a gloss. The next thing I'm pulling out here is Golden Fathom MD, and this is an eye cream. Let's see what it says. Just a plant profusion energetic eye cream. So there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Hey Honey, and this is face come clean. Let's see what it says. Deep sea mineral facial or face cleanser. So there you go. And the last thing I have here looks like an eyeliner. This is by Shades of Shan. It's just a new brand that I'm just starting to hear more about. I don't know what color it is. It's just black, which that's what I prefer anyway. I like it. It's got a real fine tip. So I'm going to use this. So I like that. So there we go. We got it, the eyeliner, the lip gloss, the Hey Honey facial cleanser, the eye cream, and the collagen, firming collagen by First Aid Beauty. So that's for the Ipsy glam bag. Let me know if you got any of the same things or what you think of my glam bag. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling up, and I haven't looked in here yet, but here's the Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy is what they're calling it. And let's see, I've got a paper in here. Show you what's inside. I'm pulling out items with my paper. It's got lots of paper in here. Okay. All right, so there you go. And it comes with a little, I don't know, flyer. It doesn't have I don't think it has the items listed in it. It's just all about the shop and deals you can get and upcoming things. It talks about the icon box, which is coming up in May. And that is, the box is curated by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So it shows a picture of her right there. There we go. All right, so there's that. Okay, so the first thing, let's get to the big thing that's expensive. And that is, got a Natasha Denona palette. Gosh, I'm having trouble today with my words. Okay. And I just need to open it up here and I can show you. I have seen this before. I don't have this color palette. I actually really like it. It's definitely a palette I'm going to use. I'm excited to use this. It's very neutral and basic, but I think I can do some fun things with it. So there's that. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Ole Hendrickson. And it is, I'm actually really excited about this item. It's supposed to color correct under your eyes. And it's a yellow color. It's a color correcting color. And it's like a stick. So it's like a, oh, it's a little different than what I thought. You can see right here. I'm excited to try it. So I definitely have problems with my under eye area. I have kidney disease, stage 4, and so my eyes do tend to get puffy and it kind of causes things around my eyes. This is gonna work good. Okay, the next thing, ooh, I like this. I forgot what I was getting. The next thing I have in here is from Fenty Beauty, and whoops, I gotta open this up. You gotta see it. Okay, this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited. I like the colors. Fenty Beauty. It's a 6 color palette, and there you go. It's full of pinks. Right along my line. I love pinks. Berry, kind of brownish. Anyway, so that's a fun palette. Yay! I like that. Okay, the next thing I have in here, I'm really liking this box actually. So I thought maybe I was a little disappointed with some of the choices, but you know what? I'm really liking it. And here it is. The next thing I have is from Bobbi Brown. So this is a eyeshadow, eyeshadow pencil. It's the top line here. I love pencils like this. I've used the Thrive ones and really liked them, so I know I'm gonna like this. So yay, it's a good color, just a basic natural, and it looks like it can be mixed, played with. Here we go. Okay, so that's my 4th item, and my 5th item is from YC Collection. It's an eye primer. I happen to be low on eye primers right now, so I definitely want to try this. This brand is kind of, for me, it's up and coming, so there's that. Definitely want to try it. I believe it's just like a cream. Oh, it's got a little bit of a tint to it. So, kind of a skin color, yeah. All right, so there's that. So that was my 5th item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow, the Natasha Denova eyeshadow, the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow pencil, a little heavy on the eyes, huh? And I got the eye primer and the under eye corrector. So yay, my eyes need work. So I definitely got some fun things for my eyes. So there's that, but I have quite a few more things in here. I didn't realize I purchased so many from the shop. There was some choices that they had on there, and I really have a hard time making choices. Like, I'm like, okay, I want it all. So I ended up purchasing some of the things that were my choices, but I picked a choice, and then some of these things were available in the shop. So the first thing I'm showing you here is by Basic Beauty, and it is just it's like a translucent powder, and I really am gonna like this. I like translucent powders, so that's a good one. The next thing I'm opening here is, there's another eye. It's an eye cream corrector. So let's see if it says anything about it. It's V Cosmetic. It's just an under eye color corrector. So it's kind of like this thing. But anyway, so I've heard things about it, so I wanted to try it. The next thing I'm pulling out here is by Fenty Beauty. This is something I've wanted because I've seen it on other people, and I just think it's gorgeous. It's the, what do they call it? The Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Plumper. So there's that, and it's a gold, kind of a gold, yellow gold shimmer. Has a nice doe foot, and got a little bit of my lipstick on there, but I'm gonna try it. So yay, this is exciting. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here is this is weird. I don't think this is on here. Has anyone gotten this? It looks extra, so I don't know if they just threw something extra in my box. But anyway, fun. Who doesn't like an extra item? Plus, it's yeah, it does look like a toner of some kind. I like the size of it. Great for travel. So the next thing I have here is from Amika. I love Amika hair products, and this is just, it's called Soul Food. It's nourishing. Let's see, it's a hair mask, I believe. Yeah, it's a nourishing mask. I love hair masks, so that, I picked this up for $3.50. Another thing I picked up for $3.50 that's kind of fun is a Pat McGrath item. It's tiny, but it's a tiny sample of Pat McGrath lipstick. Let's see. It's got the lips. See how cute that little container is? And, ooh, I like the color. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I love Pat McGrath lipsticks. They're just so smooth. Look at that. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. So I have just one more thing in here, and it is another hair item, I believe. And I like this for, I think this was only $3.50. Maybe it was $5, but it wasn't more than that. Scissors here. But it's called Head Candy, and it's a hair trio. So once again, something great for traveling. It's got a shampoo, a conditioner, and it's a set. I don't know what this spray is. I think it's just a like conditioning spray. So there's those. That. So my extra items are really fun too. I got this, the trio set for my hair. I got the Amika for my hair. I got the Pat McGrath lipstick. I got free it looks like a really nice toner, so I like that. I got the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, lip plumper, the Basic Beauty translucent powder, and the V Cosmetic eye corrector. So with the shampoo and all these, it was just like, it was kind of like getting 2 boxes, right? I think I paid about I might have paid around $50, 40 something for these other 7 products. So overall, it was a fun haul. The thing I've noticed with the new Boxy, I haven't seen too many people open the same items, so it's been a lot of different items. So I think that that's kind of cool. Usually with Boxycharm, you kind of knew you were getting this variation or that variation, but this time it's very different because of all the choices that they're giving us. So I do like that, and I'm really happy with this month. So I can't wait to start using some of these items. Thank you, friends, for sticking around. Come back. I got another Temu haul. Those just keep coming. And I have some Allure stuff. I have much more to share with you. So anyway, we'll say goodbye for today and come back, subscribe. All right, thanks. Okay, bye-bye.